Hi everyone, I'm Brinda. I'm part of product team at Future AGI, and today I'm going to give a quick walkthrough on our observability feature. How many of you have built something but it broke in production? Right? It's nightmares. I know most organizations struggle with a similar problem of juggling with multiple tools for logging, metrics, quality checks, and whatnot. We built this feature to help you get real-time observability and automated evals to ensure your agentic applications always provide reliable and quality outputs. Couple of capabilities that I want to quickly touch upon is we help in instant detection of hallucination and model drift. We have continuous automated evals that is suitable for all your business and technical requirements. We have a super intelligent alerting mechanism that can help you get notified before your users get to know about the breakdown. You also get to see the complete trace view right from when the user gave an input to when the agent processed the final output. These are a couple of core capabilities. I'm gonna show a quick e-commerce agent that I had been playing around, and it's a typical chatbot stuff where I'm asking product related queries and it's helping me with certain recommendations. I'd already given it a query, show me a white shirt, wherein it surfaced a couple of objects, some are non-relevant, some are relevant. It showed me jacket and shirt and then coveralls and all that. Let me now take you to the Observe module on our Future AGI dashboard. This is the dashboard and this is the e-commerce agent traces, where the traces are captured. I had given a prompt of show me shorts and it has been captured here. So all your logging and tracing is here on this particular dashboard, right? It's super intuitive. And I've already configured a couple of evaluations on which I wanted to assess my agent on 25%. We have some timeline based filters, so we can quickly filter based on our requirement. Let's say I want to filter based on evaluation metric, right? Maybe hallucination, and I want to see, okay, how many traces have hallucination greater than 30%, right? So it's going to give me all the traces where hallucination is more than 30%. Now, another quick operation similar to previous one is what we can do. Simply add these to a data set, new or old, and analysis and other deep dives that I might want to do. So this is how filtering works. You can also configure custom filters through your code, and maybe you can do it at a user level or something. And here is a quick visual representation of whatever you want to see. So let's say I want to see the average of hallucination over a period of a week. So it's going to give me a quick visual representation of how the agent hallucinated in the past 7 days. So yeah, that's about the LLM tracing bit. Now let me show you real quick how to actually set these evals, which is super simple and you can do in just few steps. So you see the tab button here, new task, right? So just give it a name, let's say test. You can add filters if required. It asks you whether you want to run on historical data or continuously new incoming data. Again, you have those timeline based filters, and then you can enter your maximum spans, let's say 1000. So give a sampling. So it's a very smooth slider. You can just slide and set your sampling rate as well. Simply click on add evals, right? Here you get all the use cases, the most popular ones that we've categorized based on our evals. Let's say currently I'm interested in chatbot behavior. These are the evaluations that are there under this category. And I want to see how polite is my chatbot. I'm customer obsessed, right? So I can configure that. And we have our own models based on speed and accuracy requirement. So you can select any of the models that you want to evaluate this on. And another good thing is you can also have your own knowledge base uploaded here in any format, so that your evaluations are very grounded, and then agents give better or more accurate answers based on your, let's say, any product documentation or brand guidelines. And then you can just give the required input and output columns. Another thing is, if you want to configure your own evaluations, we have create your own evals or custom evals as well, where you can again configure it real quick. You can either use our models or you can use other LLM models as well. But then let's say you're using OpenAI, it might give you a deep cut in your budget. So I would say our models are 1/6 of the cost, and even the accuracy is much better. So simply write what you want to evaluate, simple plain English, and then you can create your own evaluation. You also get options to configure the type of output, whether you want binary, percentage, deterministic choices, and then you can create your own evals. Let me take you to the next tab, which is sessions. It's basically an entire view of all the conversations the agent and user had. You get all the traces in one holistic view, and you get a summary of your system matrix and evaluation matrix on the right hand side. And it's super intuitive for any developer to understand how it's performing or do any debugging or analysis. And while I would say product managers love to understand the user experience or user behavior, so again, it's very helpful for multiple teams. This is the chart section. It's more of an analytics view where you get a view about your system matrix and your evaluation matrix. You have the standard filters. You can see in the past 1 week how was my system matrix and how was my evaluation matrix. We have alerts. It's again very helpful. You can quickly set alerts either based on your system matrix or evaluation matrix from this drop down. I've seen teams having terrible model behavior but terrific uptime. That's because they're mostly capturing system matrix, no alert for evaluation or model behavior. And hence we have defined this alert mechanism where you can configure or provide the logic for which you want the alert, and you can also provide the email address here as to who should be notified first if in case there's a breach of the threshold that you've given here, and then that helps you get alerted before your users get to know about it. Right, so again, it's very helpful, very intelligent, that you can use for your model behavior analysis. And yeah, couple of quick operations. You can export the data, you can configure the project details, and you can share the dashboard with your team members for better transparency and so that you're not working in silos, right? You simply go on this and you install our TraceAI library, load your API keys, set up this code telemetry to register your project, and that helps us get all the logs and traces onto the platform. And it's just few lines of codes that you can use, and then you're good to go. You'll be started in just few minutes. Right, that's pretty much about our observability feature. And if you have any more questions or if you need help in getting started, please scan this QR code and there would be an option to book a call with one of our technical experts. And also you can visit our documentation page at docs.futureagi.com, and please reach out to me if there's any questions or support needed. Happy to help. Thank you.